Verisurf 2022 makes inspection plan programming faster and more efficient through automatic inspection path generation for CNC CMMs programmed in automated mode. As geometric features are added to a plan, the default path settings for each feature type are used to create the probe path automatically. Auto path generation works for all geometric features that are based on a CAD entity, whether they're added using the toolbar or speed menu. Automatic path generation produces a consistent measurement strategy by ensuring that feature paths use the same settings, regardless of device or programmer. Verisurf-configuration-files extend this functionality by allowing users to save and reuse predefined path defaults. Auto path generation works with all of your CNC CMM's probing systems, including tactile scanners, so you can take advantage of increased programming efficiency, regardless of which type of probing system you use. To see the difference, schedule a demonstration at Verisurf.com. Continue to watch the Verisurf 2022 Feature Highlights series and subscribe to our channel to learn more.